Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Faiz Izzuddin Halim. I am from RK23 Electrical Engineering. Today, I will do my reading assignment. For a short description, the novel that I have chosen is The Hunger Games. The Hunger Games is written by Susan Collins and was published in 2008. Okay, for short summary, The Hunger Games universe is a dystopia set in Panem, a North American country consisting of the wealthy capital and 12 districts in varying states of poverty. In order to control future rebellions by remembering the past rebellion, the power that be of the dystopian society of Panem forced two youngsters from each of the 12 districts to participate in the Hunger Games. The rules are very simple. The 24 players must kill each other and survive in the wilderness until only one remains. Games are broadcast to the capital and 12 districts to remain in the and intimidate the population. In District 12, teenager Katniss Everdeen, who is a main character, is a great hunter and archer. When her younger sister Remus Everdeen is selected one of the tributes of their district, Katniss volunteers to take her place in a game. Together with Peter Malik, they joined the Hunger Games. They had to face much hard challenge and other competitors, which is from other districts, and in the end, they both winning the match and can get back to their home. For three issues that I select is sacrifice. First is sacrifice. Katniss Everdeen is willing to sacrifice herself with Remus Everdeen, who is her sister, in order to protect her sister that's still young and not letting her sister from getting in the Hunger Games. As a result, Katniss Everdeen will be the tributes of District 12 along with Peter Malik. For me, it is an honor for you to sacrifice for the one who you love. The second issue is child warfare. In the Hunger Games, there is a plot where children are forced to kill each other. The last person who survives in the Hunger Games is considered as the winner. Either like it or not, every contributes have to kill each other to protect themselves in order to survive. For me, we should rise and take good care of children because they will become a better person in the future. The third issue is teamwork. Katniss Everdeen and Peter Malik form an ally by taking care and protect each other from other contributes. For me, with teamwork, it can make this world a better life. One issue that I will expand is teamwork. Why I choose teamwork? This is because I already have experience this in my life. One of example is when me and my friend are working together when we are doing an assignment during our study in Unimed. Compared to the novel Hunger Games, Katniss Everdeen and Peter Malik are working to help each other to finish the Hunger Games. I would like to recommend you guys to read the book because this book have other episodes, not just this one book. They have the Hunger Game Book 1, the Hunger Game Book 2, the Hunger Game Mockingjay, and many. So I really recommend it for you guys if you like to watch, if you like to read the adventure and fiction book. That's all from me. Thank you.
Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say, who murdered 3.